So yun guys, dalawang magtitong malupit naman dito sa Toronto, Canada. Papasukin natin at gugupitan ngayon. Tara, let's go!
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos.
Ayos. Ang ina. Go jump you.
Or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town.
Motor goods. Itong inalimin mo ah.
Ayan guys, tapos na tayo manggupit. Ito yung mga ginupitan natin, malulupit. Oh, approve ba tol? Approve. Nice. Ito nga pala din si Ashley. Approve. Ano sabi ni Jawa?
Agit as fuck, agit as fuck.
Nanggigil. So yun guys, ganito na lang matatapos to. Bye-bye! Hit guys, napakadaming binayad sa atin hit. Tangina to, sure ka ba dito? Tangina, muntik na lumuha yung mata ko dito Ashley, sure na ba to? Putang ina guys, 100! Putang ina! Napakalusip.